Let's add a game over screen. So we're going to go back to our Google search, and I'm going to type in game over GIF. This doesn't have to be transparent, this one. This can take up the whole screen. So all you need to do is find a game over screen that you like. I'm just going to quickly choose maybe, what's this one here? What does this one do? Cool, just going to use this one. So once you've found yourself a game over GIF, you're simply going to drag it onto the desktop. You should know this part already. Go back to Scratch. You're going to add a new sprite by going down to choose a sprite and upload a sprite. I'm going to click on my game over screen GIF and choose it. Now when your game over screen pops up, you actually want it to fit the whole screen. So this time we don't make it smaller, we actually make it bigger. So we get down to the size of this sprite. So size, I might have to make this one 400. Let's see what that does. That's pretty good. As you can see, it fits the whole screen. So you'll notice now, when I start a new game, I cannot see anything because the game over screen is there. So we need to tell it to hide when we start a new game. And that's a nice easy script. So when the green flag is clicked, so this is for your game over GIF. When the green flag is clicked, hide. Nice and easy. And start a new game, and it is hidden. We do want it to show though at some stage, but when do we want it to show? That's the next part. So when the green flag is clicked, forever, if, we're going to go into the operators tab this time. We're going to get an equals. So it's this hexagon shaped one. So if something equals something, so something equals 50, that says there, I'm going to drag that into there. So we want this to say if lives equals 0, then it's going to show. The game over screen is going to show. So we need to go to the variables tab and drag the lives block, which is this one here. Drag it into the first circle. If lives equal not 50, but if lives equals 0. So if our lives go down to 0, then the game over screen will show. Let's see what happens. Test it. So 2 lives, 1 life, and no more lives. Game over pops up. But remember that this was a GIF. So we need to put this script into it as well to make it switch to the next costume and animate. So go back to the game over screen. I'm going to use this one here, forever. Next costume, it's nice and easy. So I've just added these 2 blocks to the one I already had here. So forever, so when the green flag's clicked, hide, and forever, just keep animating. Let's see what happens now. There we go, perfect. If I click that again, it should disappear. Perfect.